Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set a screen timeout, also called auto lock on LEDGER Nano X. To do it, simply press and hold on both buttons at once to open the control center. Now press on both at once to open settings, then both at once to open general, go down to battery saver, both at once. Now select whichever option you feel like having. Press on two buttons at once and the change will be applied. Then go all the way down to back, go all the way to the right, back, and it's done. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.